Hey everyone, it's Dr. Baird at Evolve Performance Healthcare, and this is the prone press-up exercise. So if I prescribe you this exercise, it's probably because we're working on some sort of disc issue that feels better into that extension. So one thing to keep in mind before we do this exercise is really what we're paying attention to are any leg symptoms, if you are experiencing any leg symptoms. So sometimes when we extend into that position, it can increase a little bit of pain on the low back, but if that pain is coming up the leg, so in your calf, even into your hamstring or glute, it's still a positive sign that this is a good exercise. So keep that in mind. If you're feeling a little bit more discomfort in the low back, but the leg is feeling better, that's still a good sign that your body likes this position. So without further ado, let's get into the exercise. So you're gonna start on your stomach. Your hands are gonna be right below your shoulders. And just a reminder that the goal of this exercise is to really get into the end range. End range is where the magic happens. So that means as far extended as we can. So to do that, you gotta keep your lower body relaxed. No kind of squeezing the glutes as you press up. Keep it as relaxed as possible. And then from there, you're gonna press up through your hands. So again, this isn't like a yoga segmental coming up like that. It's pressing through the hands, letting your hips sink all the way into that end range. Again, it's okay if you have tight hips like myself and they're up off the ground a bit. You're just really trying to get as far into end range as you can by relaxing the hips and then coming back down. And then again, keeping the hips, lower body relaxed. Use your hands to press you up into that full extension. Really let the hips sink in. Again, we're trying to get into that end range. You're paying attention if you're having leg symptoms. Are those leg symptoms getting better? Easing off a bit? Even if you're feeling a little bit more pressure in the low back. So there you have it. That is the prone press-up exercise. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks for watching.